Jai Gurudev. So today we do Ashtavakra 30. I hope everybody has done their homework from Ashtavakra 29. Yeah. Yes. So we can move on to Ashtavakra 30 now. Your nature is gratefulness. Yeah. How does he begin the talk? He begins with a beautiful sentence. Ignorance is as important as knowledge. Ignorance means what? All this Maya, this Vishwam that I have created out of my own mind, out of my own Raga and Dvesha. This entire Vishwam, yeah, this is Maya, and this Maya is as important as knowledge. What knowledge is he talking about? Architecture, engineering, medicine. No, he's talking about the supreme knowledge, the knowledge of the self. Yeah. So he's saying that knowledge and this Maya are equally important, because Maya gives knowledge, glorification, yeah, and this knowledge itself is what? Yeah, the Brahman consciousness. Yeah. Somebody like Gurudev, yeah, and other enlightened masters out there, for them all this Maya means nothing. Yeah, they are not lost in this Maya. It does not touch them. Yeah, so for them, Maya and knowledge is the same. Nothing affects. Yeah, there is nothing to accept, nothing to reject. Yeah, nothing that I want, nothing that I don't want. Yeah, no raga, no dvesha. Yes, it is all a game. Yeah, Guruji told it today, na? That a game is a game just till there is neither acceptance nor rejection. Yeah? Then there is fun in the game. Yeah? And you don't know what is the end result of that game, right? Yeah? Till that time it is fun. But the moment there is an acceptance or rejection, what happens? There is dvandva, duality. Yeah? So Ashtavakra says, neither do I accept nor do I reject. I am abiding in myself. Evamevaha asthitaha. Yeah? Because very beautifully he explained today. When I say I accept, there is a subtle I had rejected in the past. Yeah, behind it. If I say I reject, obviously in the past I had accepted it. So dvandva is inherent in either acceptance or rejection. Duality is inherent. Dvaitam is inherent here. Yeah? He says, drop this effort of accepting and rejecting. Yeah? Just be. I am not the doer. Yeah? And then he told you also how we apply it in the wrong way. Oh, I am not the doer, so everything is happening. Oh, good, good. Let karma come, let karma flow. I will just sit and not do anything. Anyway, and everything is happening, no? So I don't need to do anything. So I'm just sitting and doing nothing. This I am doing nothing is also a doing. Recognize this, huh? Do you see this? I am not going to do anything, yeah, has an implied behind it I am doing, or I was doing, or I was the doer. So because of this subtle implication, because of that dvaitam, yeah, not doing anything is also doership. Yeah. So somebody came up to me the other day and asked, that you said, okay, I am not the doer, I am not the experiencer. Everything is happening. Yeah? Everything is karma. Okay, I understand that. I know the river of karma is flowing. Yeah? The person is telling me all this. And then I asked you, okay, then what should one do then if everything is just happening? So I said, just be. There is nothing to do. And just be means what? How does Ashtavakra explain it? Just be a sakshi, a witness to everything that is happening. Good, bad, ugly, beautiful, happy, sad. It is all coming and going. It is all happening. You just be a witness. Be a sakshi to all that is happening. Yes? So he was like, okay, I will be a sakshi. So then how do I act? So I said, act spontaneously. Yeah? When I am a witness and I am observing everything is happening, if a particular situation demands of me to do a particular action, I get up, I do it out of my nature, and then I rest. So he said, okay, I'll act spontaneously. So that means whatever comes my way, I have to just act. I said, yes, correct. Just go with the flow. So now this person holds on to that word, flow, go with the flow. Now after a few days he calls me back. He says, how do I know? Is this the flow or is this the flow? I said, again, now when you are trying to understand, is this the flow or is this not the flow? Again, what is this? It is a doing, right? Again you are getting into doership. Yeah? Wanting to understand whether this is the flow or not is a doing. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Yeah? Just be. When you purely, really, yeah, just be, you will understand really how everything is moving anyways. Yeah? I am not doing. It is all happening. The river is flowing. It's flowing and it has a current of its own. Yeah? Unnecessarily I am running inside the river thinking I am the one making everything move. Yeah? Stop. Just become still and see the river is still moving. Yeah? You are just a little leaf over there in that water. Yeah? Now just start floating with the current. Drop this doership. Yeah? I am not the doer. I am not the experiencer. Everything is happening. Yeah? So homework number 1 for you. Yeah? Drop the Dvaita. Have you dropped it yet? You have been listening to Ashtavakra for such a long time now. Huh? So are you still stuck in acceptance and rejection? I like this, I don't like this, I want this, I don't want this. Oh, this is good. No, this is bad. Oh, this is better. Oh, this is worse. This is Dvaita. Yeah? So homework number 1. Remind yourself again and again, there is nothing to accept and nothing to reject. Yeah? So, can we go to the Sutra? Yeah. Karmanushthan ajnanat. Karmanushthan means performance of action is ajnan. What's ajnan? Is due to ignorance. Yathaivo parama asthitaha. And so is the abandonment of actions. Yeah? Rejection of actions. Both are ignorance. Buddhva. knowing this, sam yagedam tattvam, knowing this highest principle or truth, tattvam, yeah, evamevaha asthitaha. I am established in the self. I am at rest. Yeah. He also told you today very beautifully that he has so many times talked about knowledge before. Yeah? And then sometimes you're just sitting and that knowledge comes up. Yeah, and then you start thinking about it. Yeah, but are you doing that? He gave you 3 ways. Yeah? One is Shravana, listening to this knowledge. Are you listening to me right now? Yes? 2, Manana. Manana is what? You're in office, you're in college, in school, you're out with the friends, you're in the club. Yeah? And you're doing your own thing, and then that knowledge comes back to you. Oh, Guruji said that day, there are no people on this planet. There are no other people. Yeah? Then thinking about it, understanding it, what does this mean? Yeah? That is called manana. Repeating these sentences and pondering over the deep meaning inside those words. Yeah? This is manana. Yeah? Third is nidhi-dhyasa. Nidhi-dhyasa means what? When this knowledge becomes established within you. Yeah, yes, I know it. I understand it. It has solidified. It is my nature now. Yeah. The moment there is, raga and dvesha coming, I see, oh, raga, dvesha, oh, dvaitam. Yeah, and it drops off. I don't even have to make an effort. Yeah. This is nidhi-dhyasa. Question for you. Where are you? Are you on Shravana, Manana, or are you on nidhi-dhyasa? Yeah, that's homework number 2. Yeah. Do you let this knowledge that is going in move from Shravana to nidhi-dhyasa? Are you doing that? Yes? Or is it like very nice spiritual entertainment? Oh, nice. 1 hour Guruji talks, 1 hour Ekta ji talks. Wow, wow, wow. Fantastic. Kya style hai? So nice. Yeah. It's the same like watching a Shah Rukh Khan movie. Yeah. Recognize this, huh? This is not spiritual entertainment. Somebody who is earnest about his own spiritual growth. Yeah, who walks this path with sincerity and earnestness, he gets there. Yeah, and each one of you can get there. It only depends on the intensity of your commitment. Yeah. Very sweet story, no? Today Guruji said, what was that? That rich man asked the saint, why say Ram, Ram, Ram? Why not cockroach, cockroach, cockroach? When everything is the same, everything is the Brahman consciousness. Yeah? But it is the effect of that word on the mind. Yeah? Because your mind has got infiltrated with this Maya for lifetimes, Janma, Janma. So many janmas I have got infiltrated, and these words are sticking on. They've become my raga and dvesha. Yeah? So if I say cockroach, cockroach, I don't get the same feeling that I would get when I say Ram. Yeah? That is why this spiritual knowledge is essential. To calm the mind down. Yeah? To bring that establishment. Evamevaha asthita. Yeah. So, become established. Yeah. Become sincere on this path. Yeah. And the one who can do this, yeah, he is very fortunate. This brings us to the next sutra. Evameva kritam yena. Yena is one who, kritam does this, like this. Evameva is like this. Sa kritartho bhavedaso. He is kritarth. Kritarth we use in Hindi also, na? Yeah. He is fortunate. Yeah. One who can do this, he is really fortunate. Yeah. Evameva swabhavo. One, yah is one who makes this his swabhava, yeah, who moves from just shravana all the way to nididhyasa. It becomes his swabhava. He is what? Sakritartho bhavedaso. He is even more fortunate. Yeah. Not people who have money, name, fame, yeah, lots of women or lots of men, yeah, or who have a beautiful body and beautiful, face, whatever you think that, oh, these people are fortunate. It's not them really. Yeah, it takes a skill to see, to look beyond all these superficial wrapping. Yeah, it is only a wrapping paper. Yeah, very beautiful wrapping paper with all ribbons. Yeah, but the real thing is inside. It does not matter on the external, how much money, name, fame, beauty, health, whatever. All this is external. Yeah. The real wealth is of that spiritual growth. The real growth within you. Yeah. Here also people fake it. Here also some people, go to spiritual places or to the temple to show, oh, I am a very good person. Yeah? This also can become another obstacle on the path. Huh? Recognize this. So, who is fortunate? Very clearly he has mentioned one who makes it his swabhava, not his vyavhara. What is vyavhar? Just for the external world, how I am behaving, that is vyavhara. Swabhava is what? My internal world is really like that. Yeah? I have dropped the doership. I am a witness. Yeah? I am in sakshi bhav. It's recognizing I am enlightened already. Yeah? He is kratartho. He is fortunate. And one very beautiful thing Guruji said today, that the people who are joyful from the core of the heart, yeah, they are the real fortunate ones. They are the people who live in the state of nobody. Yeah. I do not exist. Live as if you do not exist. Yeah. There is no ego, there is no I. Everything is just flowing like a river. It is all happening. Yeah? And I just let it happen. I do not exist. Yeah? People who live like a nobody, yeah, they are fortunate. Yes. So, homework number 3 for you. Can you be nobody? Today Guruji gave you a 4-point rule to recognize your nature. And what is your nature? You are enlightened. Yeah? So what is the 4-point rule? Who remembers? What is the first? The first is understand that Brahmanhood is nothing to be acquired. Yeah? You are already enlightened. Yes. Have you seen how rice grows in the fields? Yeah. The rice, the grain of rice is inside, and around that there is the husk. Yeah. You think you are unenlightened, huh? This husk has to be removed. If the husk is removed, you will see the rice is already there inside. Yeah. Unenlightenment is only a covering around enlightenment. You are enlightened already. Yes, that was the first rule. Yeah? You are enlightened. Yeah? Recognize this. Understand that Brahmanhood is nothing to be acquired. Yeah? Very simple, na? Somewhere deep inside you are all enlightened. Yeah? But you are acting as if you are unenlightened. When you abide in your nature, you are enlightened. It's not an achievement. It is your own nature. Yeah? Being simple, innocent, full of joy and consciousness. You are one with the infinity. You are truly nobody. Yeah? That was the first point out of that. What is the second point? He said, be brave. Millions and millions of people have come into this world. Yeah, they come because of their raga dvesha. So basically they are crying. Yeah, they live in this world, raga and dvesha, raga, dvesha. So they are crying even while living. And that's how they quit the world. Yeah. Only a few brave ones can see, oh, this is all Maya. I came into this body because of my raga dvesha. Yeah. Only a few brave and intelligent ones can really get there. So be brave, he says. Yeah. It is up to you. Like in a huge ocean, there are fishes and sharks and crabs and seals and seahorses and larvae, and then there are corals and beautiful sea plants, there are mountains, there is oil, there is pearls, and there is sand. It's up to you what you want to pick. If you are going to hold on to sand, then that's what you will get. It's up to you. It is your choice to pick up the pearls. Yeah. So be brave. Pick up the pearls, I say. Yeah. That is point number 2. Be brave. What is point number 3? Who remembers? You are responsible for your own misery. Do not hold anybody else responsible. Yeah? It was my karma, my raga dvesha from my past life that has brought this person A or B in front of me now. Yeah? And this person A or B is behaving with me exactly in the same way that I am supposed to debit my account. Yeah? Some karmas I created in the past, they are just coming back to me. It has to be an even exchange, no, in the end. It is just that. Yeah? So do not hold anybody else responsible for your own dukkha. I am responsible for it. I created this karma in the past. I am experiencing that karma phalam now. Now if I create a new karma, again I will have to experience the karma phalam in the future. Yeah? So do not create a new karma. Just be. Yeah? Don't get lost in raga and dvesha. I create karma if I get lost in dvaitam, in this duality. Yeah? Drop, let go. What is, is. So this is point number 3. Yeah? You are responsible for your own misery. And what is point number 4? Who remembers? What is the name of this talk? Your nature is gratefulness. Yeah. And point number 4 is that feel grateful for everything and everybody in your life. Even if it is a bad situation, feel grateful for it. Thank God this karma is over from the past. Yeah, I'm going to just pay off this karma, however bad it is. I am going to let go. However miserable it is, I will go through it. Yeah, and feel grateful that this karma is also going. Let it go. Don't hold on to it. Oh, this is happening, this is not happening, why is it happening to me? This is called holding on. Yeah? Let it go. Open your fists. Yeah? You are clenching onto something very tight. Let go. Open. Yeah? You've seen that movie now? What's that movie? Tare Zameen Pe. That little boy, Darshil, yeah, how he is standing in front of the cold water shower and he's like, come, what can you do to me? Yes, you want to fight? Let's fight. Yeah, have that spirit. Yeah, how difficult can this dukkha be? Yes, I am not going to create any karma by shouting, screaming, saying this, saying that, or even regretting in the mind. Yeah, or even in the mind I'm not going to say, I don't want this, I don't like this. Yeah, come, I am here. Yes, I am stronger than you think. Yeah? Go through everything in life like that. Feel grateful for everything that has come your way. Yes, only fire can make you shine like gold. Yeah, so you have to go through the fire, na? Yeah? This is the fire of the world, the fire of life. So feel grateful for everything. Yeah, so this is your homework number 5, I think. Yeah, 4, 5. Yeah, homework number 5. Take the opportunity, every opportunity that comes to you, feel grateful. Say thank you. Yeah? Thank you God, thank you Guruji, thank you whoever. Yeah? Or thanks to that Brahman consciousness. Thank you for this opportunity. Yeah? And abide in yourself. Evamevaha astithaha. In the end, Guruji ended it by saying, this is the only shift that you need to make. And this is the biggest shift. Yeah? So make this shift. Feel grateful. Yes? Yeah? You got the 4-point rule for recognizing your own Brahmanhood. 1. Understanding that there is nothing to achieve or acquire. You are already enlightened. 2. Be brave. Yes, however difficult it is, be brave. Yeah, select the pearls, not the sand. Yeah, select your own spiritual growth over all these small little material world aspirations. Yeah. Point number 3. You are responsible for your own misery. Do not blame others. Do not blame situations. Don't blame things. Don't blame karma now. Or you'll start blaming niyati and karma. No. Yeah. I am responsible for everything. Yes. And what is point number 4? Feel grateful for everything and everybody in your life. Yes? That completes Ashtavakra 30. Yeah. Your nature is gratefulness. Clear? All good? Yeah? Great. So now we will meet next week, yeah, for Ashtavakra 31. Yeah. And if you have questions, you know where to get me. Contact me. Jai Gurudev.